In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly create a project and upload videos in Submagic. We'll start in your browser. Go to submagic.co. Make sure you're logged into your account so your work is saved. If you're already logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. On the dashboard, look to the upper right and click Create Project. Think of a project as the workspace where Submagic keeps your video and settings together so you can come back later without losing progress. Next, choose what you want to do. Generate captions, get magic clips, or clip videos. Pick Generate Captions if you need automatic subtitles. Submagic transcribes your audio and times the text for you. Choose Get Magic Clips if you want short, social-ready highlights. It analyzes the video and suggests the most engaging moments. Select Clip Videos if you already know the parts you want and just need quick trims and splits without a complex timeline. Choose the option that best fits your goal today. You can create another project for a different task anytime. Once you've chosen, look toward the lower part of the interface. You'll see an area that says Drop or Browse Your Videos. If the file is handy, drag it right into that space. Prefer to search for it? Click to browse, then select your video from your computer. Larger files may take longer, so keep your browser open and your connection steady during the upload. To help things move quickly, avoid heavy downloads while the transfer runs. Common formats like MP4 or MOV work well. After your video finishes uploading, you're set. Submagic will take it from there based on the option you selected, whether that's building captions, finding highlight clips, or letting you trim. That's all you need to get started. For the best results, start with clear audio and minimal background noise. Automatic captioning and clip detection work much better when voices are easy to hear. If you manage several versions of a video, use distinct file names so it's easy to recognize each upload in your project list. And while the upload runs, simply let it finish. Interrupting the process can slow things down. Quick recap before we dive in. Go to submagic.so, log in, click Create Project at the upper right, choose Generate Captions, Get Magic Clips, or Clip Videos. Then drag or browse to upload your video. You're ready to create.